Make a great choice today with the 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, chrome wheels, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.